vlog, do it for the 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 vlog.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. I feel like I get judged every time I do that around you.
Why me?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. I can't even say that seriously.
I am judging.
I know. Me and Nikki are on holidays. We are here at Phillip Island. We are
trying not to risk GoPro damage.
Yeah, as you see over the edge, we are risking our GoPros and safeties of our quads.
I just got mine too.
Yeah, Nikki just got a GoPro. Like, as we were leaving to come to Phillip Island, she got a GoPro. And it probably has like 6 or 7 flights on it. And now imminent death is upon it.
I'm so scared.
This is like our 3rd day here now. We're getting ready to go home, but it is a perfect sunset on the island. We're overlooking these amazing cliffs.
Am I frowning?
I don't know.
Yeah, I know. This hat makes me frown.
That's not, hats don't do that.
Yeah, it does. It's so tight, it squishes my skin together.
It does what?
Does that.
It's okay. You're still cute.
Even when I'm frowning?
Even when you're frowning.
Nice.
It's the end of our trip. The sun is setting, and we decided to come back to one of the really cool spots that we found. We're gonna try and fly some mini quads, Mavic, get some cool footage. So,
bye!
This is what it looks like.
For my love, so smile, we won't give up. Your luck will break even, I'm the one. So smile, so smile, you're with me now. So smile, so smile, you're with me now. For my love, so smile, we won't give up. Your luck will break even, I'm the one. So smile, so smile, you're with me now. So smile.